I'm going to show you how to assemble this peony kit, which is part of our paper flower garden series. So let's get started. For this flower, you'll need the kit, scissors, 18 gauge floral wire, green floral tape, a hot glue gun with low temperature, and glue, and some wire cutters. In the back of the kit, you'll find your step-by-step instructions, and you can use this to follow along with the video. This kit has two peonies, a pink and a peach. And we'll go ahead and punch out all of our pink petals, 3 of the large blooms, and then we have a smaller petal that looks the same, it's just a little bit smaller, and this one that looks like a bow tie, and there's 3 of each of those. There's 2 centers in yellow, and you'll want 1 of those for each flower. And in the back, here's a leaf and the back of the flowers. You have 4 leaves per bloom. So use the edge of your scissors and your finger and very gently curl each of the petals. I'm curling them one direction first, then I'm curling them to the side, and then the other side. So we want as much shape as possible to give it a natural look. So on these pieces that look like a bow tie, I'll start by curling them straight, and then I'll work my way around to one side to the other. Again, you want as much shape as possible. Maybe even go across it, and then just kind of around. Very gently, you'll want to hold on to them at the base so you don't tear them off. Very gently curl those one direction. And then starting on one side, roll it as tight as you can. And they're going to stack on top of each other like you see here, but we'll make that less stacked and a little bit more organic here in a second. So once it's rolled, you see how it's flat? I'm going to kind of squish it open a bit. And then just move my fingers inside of there to give it a more organic feel. And then we'll place that into the center when it's time. For the leaves, you can see that there's a score line, so fold that in half. And then very gently just give it a bit of a shape on the edge. This is hard to do when it's so long. You could also roll it alongside the table if you wanted to. So to assemble the flower, I'm going to start with the 3 smallest pieces and put a little bit of glue on the back and place that onto the second layer, and you'll want to rotate it. I'm rotating it a little bit to one side because I have my 3rd layer here. So that one will fill in the space between. Kind of like that. I'll do the same thing with this stack. Layer it, but rotate it to one side. And you can put those 2 stacks together. For this one, I'll put some glue in the center. And again, do kind of a 3rd and then another 3rd. Put some glue in the center and place the whole stack right inside. And this is where we'll place the piece of yellow. I'll let that cool first, and then with my fingers, reach underneath some of the petals and pull them up to give it some extra shape. You can pull all of your extra glue strings off. For the back of the flower, I'll use this piece, place a little bit of glue right along the side, and then create a cone. I have an 18 gauge piece of wire that I've cut in half to 10 inches. And I'll bend that to almost a 45-degree angle. Slide that inside. Add some glue to the inside where your wire will rest right along the edge. Now I'm going to put a lot of glue inside. Take my bloom and place that right on the back. And let that cool. Okay, to finish the flower, I'll take 2 of my leaves, add some glue onto the stem, and then place that stem right along the wire. And I'm doing this because this is how I'll get my tape to hold onto the wire. Whoops, wrong way. Let's do it this way. I don't want them across from each other, so I'll turn it a little bit. Then we'll take the floral tape and gently wrap it around the wire. You'll want to stretch it out to activate it, and then run it down the stem. For my other leaves, I am going to use a 10-inch floral wire. Place some glue, put the floral wire right there, and then with the glue still cool, go ahead and place my other leaf. Something like this, and then cover that with floral tape. Stretch to activate, and then just roll it right down the wire stem. And you can bend that at the top and then place that into position so that you can put that on top of a gift or in a vase, and there it's done.